Sneaky Link, he asking you for money, so. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by CurlyMeHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. This is their brand new M cap unit, and let me just tell y'all, the M cap is where it's at. This wig is looking good on me. None of my hair is out for this style. Right there. Right there, wig, okay, yeah. I didn't bleach no knots, I didn't pluck no hairline, I didn't even put no powder in my parting space, child. So if you want to see how I got this wig from A to Slay, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from CurlyMeHair. All the specs for my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their new M cap unit, so let's go ahead and talk about the specs before we get into the styling of this unit. They did send me an example of the cap, so let me just take this out really quick. This is what the cap looks like without the hair on it. It does come with the 9x6 Swiss lace, so there's 9 inches of lace across the front and then 6 inches of lace to the back. So you get a good amount of parting space without having to glue your unit down. It's still considered a closure wig. Okay, not a lace frontal. A lace frontal will be a 13x4 or 13x6. With closures, you don't get all the lace to the ear. So some of your sides may be out, or you may have a track on the side, depending on how the cap is made, okay? It also comes with the mesh cap in the back, and then it has the removable combs in the back and on the sides. Hold up, take that off. Removable comb in the back and on the side, right in front of that C-shape ear tab. So if you wear glasses like me, or just want your ears to be, you know, carved out into your wig, that C-shaped ear tab definitely helps make the wig fit a little bit more comfortably. Y'all know I don't like slamming those combs into the side of my head. You know, I gotta keep my edges, all right? So the removable combs is clutch for me. I don't like wearing them, so I can just take them out. Take out the combs if you don't want them, and then to the back, you just slide it on out. Let's get it out. This just tells you it's sturdy. Slide that right on out the cap. And then oh, this is different. So on the cap on here, they just have the elastic band just kind of slid into here like this. But on the actual wig, you can choose which slot you want to put your hook into. The elastic band does have the nape grip on it, and you can also adjust the elastic band from both sides. It does come with the pre-bleached mini hair knots. Each strand of the hair is hand tied by the lace, one grid, one single strand with mature bleaching tech, making the hair just like growing your own scalp. Growing your own scalp or growing from your scalp. Let's correct that. They did send me the Kinky curly version in 18 inches, so we're gonna style this up. But first I need to take off this tag because I'm not gonna be using that anymore. Don't cut off your tag until you're definitely sure you like the wig. Y'all saw what mine looked like out the pack. If you do not feel it looks like mine, if it's too thin, if you see gaps, if the cap construction is wrong, do not cut your tag off. Do not wash your hair. Do not comb the curls out. Don't do nothing besides pack it back up and contact customer service. Some of y'all be styling your wigs up and then wearing it for 2 weeks and be like, oh, this is not the same wig. Girl. I love y'all, but you ain't slick. Now, some things could happen after the fact, meaning if the wig starts shedding profusely, that may be a problem, but we're gonna test it out once I put mine on. I'm gonna let y'all know. All right, what's this in here? They sent me the Where Go kit. It comes with extra combs and another silicone bands. I will say the packaging for this wig is top notch. I like the packaging for this unit. I hope that's the packaging for everybody. That's real nice. Let me first get my dry shampoo in my water. I got plans today. Kenny said I can take him shopping. Y'all, Kenny has his uniform, okay? Sweats, t-shirt, and flip-flops. And I be trying to buy him clothes and he'd be like, no. So when he says you can take me shopping, I jump on it quickly. So we're gonna go shopping later on, but I need to get myself together. I'm not gonna wash it, I'm gonna give it a whole bath, okay? It doesn't have a strong chemical smell, which I am shocked, because my last couple Curly Me wigs was, they was rank, okay? They was real strong in the smell department, so I wasn't really here for that. But they told me they was gonna work on it, and they did. So again, don't be freeballing that wig on your head. Don't do that. Have some protection between the scalp and the wig. Okay, if you wash it, you can do that. But if you don't wash it, wrap it up. That dry shampoo was real heavy-handed. I did put on my black cap because I wanted to make sure you couldn't see it as much. Yeah, see? That black cap get you right. Look at that melt. It's kind of square, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. Don't worry about it. I could probably move mine up a little bit. Let me show y'all. Put my glasses on so y'all can see. All right. Right up in there, right behind my ear. It's not folding my ear down. My glasses aren't pressed against my ear like this. It's very comfortable. They didn't send me clips, but that's okay. Get my hairline together, Nairobi Mousse all over the front. 1, 2, 1, 2. Probably didn't need that much, to be honest. Pat, 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 pat. Y'all know I love my messy, natural looking hairline, so that's what I'm doing. I want this side to come down like that. CurlyMe did send me the Gucci band. Hold up, get out of my face. Wrap that down. Hold on, my glasses got mosquito dust on them. I don't like that. I'm seeing things I shouldn't be seeing. There we go, clear, clear. I will probably get shedding with this because again, it's a kinky curly unit and I did not wash her before I styled her. So you will see most of my shedding if I have any right now. But I will say CurlyMeHair is normally not as, what's the word? It doesn't tangle as much. So let me take my water bottle first. I will be using my 2-for-1 special, my Nairobi Mousse and my Curl Glaze. I'm using my Nairobi Mousse to clump and define the curls, and then I'm gonna use the Curl Glaze to help with the frizz. Take my Felicia Leatherwood brush, work it in. Y'all see, look at that. No snag, okay? That was right through the hair. Y'all see, look at this. It's not even snagging, child. Ooh, oh, there's some snags, but y'all saw how I worked through this hair like that? That's how much shedding came out the brush. I am seeing little short pieces of hair on my table, so I don't know why it's breaking off like that. Mousse all over. The hair is really soft. I can say right now that it is very manageable. The more you saturate your hair with water, the less product you'll need to use. It's a little dry in the back. Let me make sure I get that. For this look, I'm combing it towards the front. Take some of the Curl Glaze on the finger. Work that in. Make sure I get it on my ends. Brush it forward. Do my finger coils up to the root. I do hear some slight breaking of the hair when I'm doing this. I'm not doing it that hard either, so be careful of that. That might cause some shedding. I only have a little bit of hair on my finger though, so far so good. Scrunch it up like this. Take my clip, bring it forward, clip it to the back. All this is air drying for a bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and then we'll come back and style this wig up. Okay? Be right back. So the hair is mostly dry. Some of my ends are still a little damp, but I ain't too worried about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this wrap off. How strong is this Velcro? Goodness gracious. Get my brush back what I don't need. Bring that down. I told y'all, them swishes gonna do it every time. Every single time. Do I need some tint? I need a little bit of contour, just a smidge. A little tapping, tap it around the hairline. I told y'all, get that contour and work it around your wig. I could definitely tighten this down a bit more, but I'm gonna leave her for now. Take my pick and I'm gonna tease it at the root. Tease it up. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. This is personal preference. Obviously me doing this will cause tangling and maybe some shedding when I go in to wash the wig and detangle it for the first time. I don't care because I want this look for me. You do you. I didn't use enough curl glaze on the top. Some of my hair is a little frizzy, but that's all right. It'll give me that second, third day wear, so that's cool. I like that look for me anyway. I may need to use bobby pins on the top here, maybe not. It doesn't have a lot of layers in this wig, so if you want that full out, you know, kind of tapered look around your face, you'll need to cut your own layers, but I can still tuck it behind my ear and give me the edge look. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. What we think? I think she looked good. I didn't put no powder in my parting space because I don't really feel like it's needed, but you can top it off if you need to, okay? I feel like I wanna do an up style with this. I just want to see how it'll look. I want these two little pieces out right here. Let me just clip this back really quick. Try to do a ponytail. Try to hide my sides. Was that a bar? Bring it all up. Obviously this is track, so I need to bring that down. Bring it down. Where are those bobby pins at? Hold on, so y'all can see. Bring it all down. Take my bobby pin that to the back like that. I know I got other bobby pins. Pin this side down. Think we got it. Take my ponytail here. Gonna wrap it one time so I can pull the hair all the way through. Now I gotta bring some of the hair down on the sides just so I can make sure it's covering the tracks. Make sure I pull the rest of the hair through the ponytail. I definitely need my smaller bobby pins. These are way too big, but they're gonna work for now. Take my brush, brush these hairs down, real natural. There we go with that. If you're not comfortable with that look, you can definitely put on a headband. And using the headband, you can alleviate most of the bobby pins. We looking real good, ain't we? I know he is. I know he is. None of my hair is out, y'all. This is all the wig. Y'all see the lift? Up, yeah, look right there. Y'all see that? Wig. Cute. My hair did frizz up a lot more than I wanted it to, but y'all saw I did a lot of styling and movement for my unit, and I didn't use a lot of curl glaze. So I think it's more so user error than anything. How much is this wig anyway while I'm talking? So mine is $248. They do have a coupon code on the website for 24% off. So that will make the wig, it'll be $189. Y'all decide what you want to spend your coin on, or maybe you want to spend his coin. Daddy Papa got all of it, but you may want to save his for, you know, another time. The Sugar Bae though, he got a little something. The Sneaky Link, he asking you for money, so. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to CurlyMeHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.